So the today topic is a cornish boiler is a fire tube boiler in which hot gases passes through a tube rise the temperatures of the surrounding of water to produce the steam. It is a horizontally placed. The circulation of gases natural. No external force is applied here. The gases travel apart due to low density. The working of a cornish boiler is similar to the Lancashire boiler, but Lancashire boiler 2 fire tubes are used whereas in the cornish boiler only 1 fire tube is used. It is capable of producing steam at 1400 kg per hour and can take the maximum steam pressure of 11 bar. Cornish boiler constructions and their process. Cornish boiler consists of a cylindrical cell that mounted on brickwork. The length of the cell is about 4 to 7 meter and the diameter cell is 1.2 meter to 1.8 meters. The entrance is provided known as fire door through which coal is instead of the boiler. The mounting such as safety valve, steam stop valve and manhole are provided on the upper surface of the boiler to ensure the proper function of the boiler. A pressure gauge is provided near the steam valve which indicate the steam pressure. Instead the cell a fire tube boiler is presented around which water there. The fire tube is located in the middle of the water surrounded area and hot gases pass through this tube. A grate is present at the front end on which coal is kept. An arc-shaped like structure is provided at the end of the grate which allows only hot gases to pass through a tube and prevent the entry of the coal and ash. The spaces for the flow of flue gas are provided on either side of the tube which is known as side tubes and below the bottom of flues. The main component of cornish boiler as follows. First one is a safety valve, side flue and bottom flue, manhole, steam stop valve, water level indicator, grate, fire tube, cell, blow off valve, air switch, chimney. These are the main component of cornish boiler. These are the different view of cornish boiler. The front view shown the stop valve, manhole, safety valve, highlighted by the various colors. The side view cell is highlighted by the blue colors. Fire tube, top view and side view. Safety valve, it prevents the build-up of excess pressure inside the boiler. As soon as the pressure exceeds the maximum limit, the safety valve open and lets it escape to the atmosphere. As a safety valve is extremely important because of the high pressure environment inside the boiler. Side flue and bottom flue, they are spaces provided at the side and bottom of the fire tube to enable the hot flue gases passes through and increase the temperature of water. Next one is a manhole. To maintain the cleanness of the boiler, a manhole is provided at the top. A person can enter inside through a manhole and usually once or twice a year. Clean the entire boiler. Maintenance of the boiler is essential because the salt is sometimes deposited in the boiler. Steam stop valve. A steam stop valve is used to regulate the flow of steams. The valve initially closed when the steam pressure exceeds a certain limit. The valve open and expel the excess pressure into the atmosphere. Water level indicator. The water level indicator indicates the level of the water boiler. It sends a signal when the water level is too high or too low. It consists of equal spacing that air can enter the proper combustion take place. Next one is a grate. The grate is a framework of metal bars on which coal is kept. It is located at the front end of the boiler. It is generally made up of a cast steel. Next one is a fire tube. The fire tube is a long horizontal tube that is located middle of the surrounding water area. Flue gases passes through it. Next one is a cell. It is the outermost part of the boiler, which consists of a fire tube and water surrounding it. A cell also acts as a structural support. Next one is a spit. It is a small chamber located below the grate used to collect acid spit developed by the burning of coal.